First, we have to prepare 1.5 liters of water. Second is 3 pieces of mango, cut it into cubes. 200 gram of sugar. 200 gram of cornstarch. 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can of condensed milk. So now add a half cup of water to the blender. Blend it for 3 minutes and set aside. Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but now we are going to heat the water and add in the sugar, stir well. Now add in the cornstarch, stir well until dissolved. Add in together the evaporated milk and condensed milk. But there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile. If the consistency is sticky, then you can turn off the fire. While the fire is off, keep stirring and we can add in the blended mango. We can set it aside and let it cool down for 30 minutes. Now we are going to pack the ice candy. We put it inside the ice candy wrapper and tie up, and when you are done you can put it inside the refrigerator. got stranded, and I wish I could get to you. See you face to face without a screen cutting through. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. I wish it wasn't so far.
So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.